everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. All these ones are just paparazzi. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So these are the things that you need if you want to maybe making your prayer, but you need your Bible. You also need sticky notes. This depends on how much stuff you want to write, how many stuff you want to write. Sorry, and you need envelope. You need envelopes. You can get different kind of envelope, and I have like stickers. These are really optional. So you can basically just get envelopes, and then you need pen, you need your cardboard, and of course your prayer board, your board. You can use a cardboard as a board, and you can also use a wall to make your prayer board. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to write out prayer board on a sheet of paper. So, what you basically have to do is to get a plain sheet of paper. You could use an A4 paper to create this. I'm using an envelope. I'm just cutting it out in a particular shape. This is a rectangle. So I'm cutting one longer than the other. I'm going to be writing prayer board on the paper. I'm just going to cut the papers into different sizes. The first one is longer and the other one is shorter. Is short, right? So I'm going to write just normal lettering. If you have like someone who have like a legible handwriting, you can tell them to help you write. And if you do have a legible handwriting, you can also write that yourself. So I'm just doing right here is just putting down the letters prayer board on the plain sheet. So the next thing I'm going to do after writing this down is gumming the sheet on the board. So I forgot to mention earlier that you're also going to be needing a gum. So you can use a gum, you can use a pin, whichever one works for you. So I'm using a gum here. So I'm just going to be sticking the two notes right on the board, and there we have it. Perfect. So the next thing that we want to do right here is to create envelopes. This kind of envelope is different from the ones I have, the white ones I have with me. So if you can get these kinds of envelope, maybe they are available, but I tried getting them, but I didn't get. So this is what we're going to do. Just try to cut out a triangle. Cut out a perfect triangle. We are trying to make an envelope. So cut out a perfect triangle from your cardboard or whatever paper you want to be using to make the envelope. So once you're done cutting out your triangle, open it and turn it into like a diagonal shape, and turn it into like a diagonal shape, and bring the tip, just like as you've seen in the video, together. Bring the two tips together and just wrap it the way I did in the video. And there you have it. Your envelope is ready. Perfect. So I'm going to be doing I'm going to be gumming this particular part of the envelope so that it can stick together, and you'll be able to to put your sticky notes or whatever paper you want to be writing your prayers or whatever you want to write in the envelope. So I'm going to be making another kind of envelope. I'm making this from another kind of envelope actually. So I just cut the edge of that envelope, and I'm just making using a cardboard to make a cover on it. This is just like make a variety. So and that's just it. So I have my different kind of envelope ready, and I'm just trying to write out what I want to be putting inside of the envelope. So this is for prayers. Um, the other is for goals, and I'm just trying to put like a little decoration. Maybe not. You can do as much as you want on your board, but this is just the minimal thing I want to do. So I have prayers, I have goals, I have thanks, and I have answered. I have answered. So I'm going to be writing answered on this particular one. So this particular envelope, I didn't make it manually. I got this one. I didn't buy it though, but I sure got it. You know what? You know what that means. Anywho, so I'm done writing all of this on my envelope, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to just stick them on my board. So I tried to use gum at first, but they were not giving me the result I wanted. So I just used a pen instead. So you can use a pen, or you can use a gum, and you can use sellotape. There is a way that you can use sellotape that and it will stay. So either of those three, and then we are done sticking all our envelopes, and there you have it. So the next thing that I want to do right now is to put our stickers. Oh, sorry, to that was a mistake. Okay, so the next thing is to write our Bible verses. I want to be writing like two particular Bible verses on this particular board. The next thing is to put stickers on my prayer board. So if you don't have stickers, that's totally fine. But if you have stickers, that's perfect as well. Just use stickers, put the stickers wherever you think they fit, or wherever you want them to be, right? And I think that I'm going to just be using two out of this, and uh okay, let's say three. Yeah, I'm using three out of this, and then I'm going to be using this big sticker on the edge of the board, just to give it like all those fine look. Just I'm just going to be putting it at the edge of the board. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Anywho, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned something. I hope you've learned how to make like a prayer board, and you are going to try it out. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try it out. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching and you enjoy watching my videos. What else do I want to say? Okay, I think I should just let you guys see the final look of the prayer board. Right, see you in my next video. Bye.